In this video, we'll demonstrate how to access the inner glass of the oven door for the following models. Remove the door from the range. Remove the screws at the bottom and at the top of the door. Remove the enamel part.
Inner glass.
You have now access to the inner glass. Reinstall the enamel with the stainless steel. Make sure that when you screw, the hole of the enamel are properly aligned with the screw. Don't fasten too much, you might crack the enamel. Place back the door on the range. This completes the process.